Slime, guys. Look at this. Red. I put food dye in it. And Guardum. Some of this is sodium tetraborate, and that's that. It's clear. See, I'll give it a little hit. And I got some slime that I already made from 2 days ago. Them oranges dough. Them cheese balls dough. My mom. Focus. My mom. And Family Feud. That slime dough. Just mixing it now. It is done. My slime solution is done. Now I just gotta get another bowl. What bowl should I use? I don't know what. This one.
Don't be dirtying all my pizza.
There's a lot in there, Mom. Hi, kitty cat. Katana! Up here! Meow! Hey, little kitty. What are you doing? She likes her shadow. That's all I know. Nope. Watch this slime come right out. No! Now it's gone. Nothing. Just looking at the kitty. Now looking at the blood. Now I'm looking at the kitty. Now I'm looking at the blood. Look. I'm looking at blood. Blood. Kitty. Glow in the dark slime. Kitty. I'm sorry, I gotta keep the light off.
I don't know what time you came up, but it was not. It was after 2 o'clock.
And then I woke up at 9. Well, I got you going.
It glows in the dark anyway. There's the red slime. There's the kitty again. No, there's light. Kitty, 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 kitty. Blood slime. I got my blood slime right there. I got my regular slime. Blood slime.
I guess after work, the first day after work.
Regular slime.
Getting up at 5:30, so getting up to work at 5 is fine. Just got home fucking tired.
Now, this is where I end the video off, guys.